Yeah.
No.
2. All of us are like freaking. This will work. So what I'm doing, just while I'm taking this back off, because this goes straight to your fucking starter, and that's what I'm about to dick around with.
Yeah.
I don't want to fucking shock myself.
Yeah, no, I hear you. I don't want you to do that either.
As much as I much as I hate fucking electricity. What?
It's 5:30.
You're telling me, man. Fucking. That's funny. I left all my fucking.
Like, my starter's been an issue for a little while now, but like I've kind of been.
That's why, because that thing's been freaking bouncing back and forth.
Yeah.
And that's probably, why it's got that like weld mark and the threads are kind of jacked up, because it's been bouncing and then
You know what kind of off-roading I do.
Well, I mean, just in general, just like you normal going, stopping and going, and
My normal stop and go is real normal.
right. Dude, he didn't want to tell you what you were doing, but he's gonna tell you what to do anyhow. You gotta love people like that.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but I'm gonna tell you what to do. So why?
People like got so many like ways to help fix it, but like they're just talking like.
Yeah, nobody else
Like,
does anything.
I don't expect anybody to be out here at 5 in the morning to freaking help me do this shit. But I saw you pull up and I was like, hey, let me just, troubleshoot this real quick. And here we are. Like, we're building a whole fucking car.
It shit happens, You're gonna fucking tell me that's the size I don't have with me right now? I'm gonna laugh.
What size?
Probably a 14. I got a 14 in a wrench. Let me check that. It would just make it much, much easier. Yeah, it is a 14. Wow, I got it.
Oh, here's a 14. I got a 14.
Is it a ratcheting wrench?
I don't know. No, I don't think so. Hyper tough. You need is it that little socket kind of thing you need?
Yeah, and I don't have my size 14 with me.